We made it to our room, 12016. Looks like we got a couple letters here from Palo, our room, and it's a small, oh my goodness, we got all our invitations, I think, for all of our It's a Small World Nursery, Carter, and Bippity Boppity Boutique. All right, Daddy, let's open this door. Let's go.
Let's go check it out. You want to go in first?
Yep. Right. Let's hit the lights. Well, we got to put the card in.
Yep.
There is our bed. Mommy and Daddy's bed.
Mama, where's Belle?
Huh? She's back downstairs. And guess what? Let's flip it around here. There's Kinsley. Oh, look, we got a little fruit basket right here for a welcoming basket. There's Daddy with the bags. Our TV. Oh, everything's coming on. Both the TVs come on when you put the light card in. Nice. Wow. Look at all of this. This is a pretty desk and vanity. I am so excited to walk out to the veranda. This is like the main reason we booked this kind of room.
Operate this.
If Daddy can get the curtain.
Oh, there we go. I thought there was a split in the middle.
Guys. We're really here. I can't believe it. Oh my goodness. There's the other cruise ship. That's the Carnival Magic. And this is Cape Canaveral. Port Canaveral. And let's get a look at Daddy. First look over the balcony. Hi, Daddy. What do you think, sis? Isn't this pretty? You want to sit in the chair? Oh, this is beautiful. Part of the ship right here. Carnival Magic. And then I'm going to walk back into our room. Actually, I'm going to get a better view of the veranda here from the door. So there's Kinsley. Can you say cheese, baby? Look at me. Are you excited? Are you excited, Daddy? Mm-hmm. Carter, who are you calling?
Carter, no, put the phone down.
Put the phone down, baby. Put it down. Okay. I'd edit that out. Alright, so now we're going to head back to the restroom area. There's obviously the closets over here. A little more storage area over here. And this, oh my goodness, this is awesome. This is our sink. Oh, okay. Mommy just tripped over the entryway. That's a big step. That's a beautiful shower. Hi, there's me. Awesome. Disney's products are the best, from what I've been told. I've heard these are really awesome too, the little sponges. Excited to try that out. So this is the first part of the bathroom set with the tub and shower. And then, watch your step. Mommy needs to learn that next time. There's the extra sink right here, vanity and the potty area. So that's nice. Got two of those. And just extra cabin space over here. Oh, I didn't get that. Let me see. Oh, there's us. That's us. This is awesome.
I like that they have their own TV, so they can watch. We can watch our own little show.
And of course, the separator. Right. So Kinsley's bed will come out of this tonight when they come turn it, and Carter's bed will come out of the couch. And there is plenty of room in here. This room, they have not over-exaggerated. It is very spacious for a cruise ship.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
What are you doing?
We're on my bed.
You're on your
Carter's bed is right there.
Yeah, they came and turned Carter's couch into his bed. And then we've got the stars up here in Kinsley's room.
And we're watching Wreck-It Ralph.
Yeah.
Remember that?
Nice thing is we have all the Disney stuff on demand in our room.
And we're eating some stuff. What are we eating?
So yeah, we had a cool elephant on the bed, but that got knocked off. I'll post a picture of that. There's Daddy.
Hello.
How was your first day, Daddy?
It was good. It's been cool to see all the little things that Disney does, and it's my first Disney experience, so yeah, it's been really cool to see.